Namaskar friends, welcome to Headlines of the Day. In this video, we are going to discuss major headlines of the Hindu. Before we begin, I would say, remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned from the worst times and from the worst mistakes. तो चलिए फिर इसी के साथ आज का डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. Our first important headline is Festive Beats. It is available on page number 1 और ये related है paper 1 Art and Culture section से. In this article, we have to know about Wangla dance. तो दोस्तों, it is the most popular dance among the Garos of Meghalaya. Our next important headline is a gold mushroom combo to ease drug delivery. It is available on page number 1 और ये related है paper 3 Science and Technology से. In this article, we have to know about Cordyceps militaris. तो दोस्तों, it is a high value parasitic fungus and it is called super mushroom because of its tremendous medicinal properties. Our next important headline is Reset 2 satellite makes re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. It is available on page number 7 और ये related है paper 3 space section से. In this article we have to know about Reset 2. तो दोस्तों न्यूज में क्यों है ये? क्योंकि recently India's radar imaging satellite Reset 2 made an uncontrolled re-entry into Earth's atmosphere and it was launched in 2009 by PSLV C12. Right. Our next important headline is China's 20-party Congress over the road ahead. It is available on page number 8 और ये related है paper 2 international relations से. In this article, we have to know about the outcomes of China's 20-party Congress, implications for the world and India, and what lies ahead. तो दोस्तों, इन सारे पॉइंट्स को यहाँ पे बहुत शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, हमारे YouTube चैनल पे भी इसको कवर किया गया है, तो लिंक उसका अवेलेबल है, आप जानते हैं कहाँ पे. ठीक. Our next important headline is Vanatau's big plea does little to arrest climate change. It is available on page number 8 और ये related है paper 3 environment section से. In this article, we have to know what is the link between fossil fuels and climate change, impacts, various steps, and what more steps need to be taken in this context. तो दोस्तों, इसको बहुत अच्छे से यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, आप एक बार देख लीजिएगा. अगर हम ओवरव्यू देखें तो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ वनाताओ वांटेड जनरल असेंबली टू अडॉप्ट अ यूनिवर्सल नॉन प्रोलिफरेशन ट्रीटी to ban the use of fossil fuels across the world. And in this article, it is also highlighted that world today is suffering from the adverse effects of climate change, which have devastated homes and livelihoods of large population in various parts of the world. And addressing these impacts and preparing the world for an uncertain future should be the priority, right? Our next important headline is Mapping India's urbanization rate, consumption and employment patterns. It is available on page number 10 और ये related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article, we have to know about the India's urbanization rate and its effects. तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे with the help of map बहुत अच्छे से explain किया गया है. You can go through this. ठीक. Our next important headline is Decline in pre-primary enrollments continued in 2021-2022 says government report. It is available on page number 14 और ये related है paper 2 education section से. In this article, we have to know about the findings of Unified District Information System for Education Plus report on school education. तो दोस्तों, according to report of Ministry of Education, more than 20,000 schools were closed across the country during 2020-21, while number of teachers also declined by 1.95% in comparison to the previous year, right? Our next important headline is 7 toppers in the latest index on school education. It is available on page number 14 और ये related है paper 2 education section से. In this article, we have to know about the findings of the performance grading index. तो दोस्तों, performance index of Ministry of Education classifies states and union territories into 10 grades based on their score out of 1000 points. According to an index, Gujarat is now among the top performers in school education, right? तो दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thanks for listening. For regular updates, you can follow us on various social media platforms.